Picture this. You wake up, grab your coffee, and check your crypto wallet, bam. It's grown by 50% overnight. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, in the wild world of DeFi, that's not just a fantasy. It's happening every day. Today, I'm spilling the beans on a free tool called DeFiLlama that can help you find these money-making gems. We're talking stablecoins, yield farming, and even free tokens, all step by step, no fluff. Stick with me, because by the end, I'll show you how to turbocharge your earnings with a little trick. Ready to turn your spare crypto into a cash machine? Let's roll. Crypto fam. Welcome back to Crypto Yield Pro, where we make earning in crypto as easy as pie, or at least as easy as staking a stablecoin. Today, we're diving into DeFiLlama, a free website that's like a treasure map for decentralized finance, or DeFi for short. DeFi is just a fancy way of saying crypto projects that let you earn without banks. And DeFiLlama? It tracks all the juicy details, how much money's locked in these projects, which ones are hot, and where you can make a buck. Right now, it's watching over $187 billion across 171 blockchains. That's billion with a B. In the last 24 hours alone, it grew by over 3%. So, yeah, there's some serious cash flowing here, and I'm going to show you how to grab a piece of it. Let's zoom out for a sec. DeFiLlama's dashboard tells us the total value locked, or TVL, is sitting at $187 billion. That's how much crypto people have stashed in DeFi projects. And it's not just sitting there collecting dust. It's working, earning rewards. Stablecoins, those coins that stick close to a dollar's value, are a huge chunk of this, with a market cap of $260 billion. That's up around 1% today. Why is that cool? Because stablecoins are your safety net in crypto. Less roller coaster, more steady paycheck. Tether's USDT rules the roost with a $161 billion market cap, holding almost 62% chunk of the stablecoin pie. So step 1. If you're new, stablecoins are your ticket to earning without the crazy price swings. Now, where's all this action happening? DeFiLlama ranks blockchains by their TVL, and Ethereum's king with $115 billion locked up. It's got 1,393 projects and nearly 500,000 active users. Busy place. Solana's nipping at its heels with $13 billion and a crazy 3.7 million active addresses. Binance Smart Chain, or BSC, is third with $8 billion and 2.6 million users. These chains are like neighborhoods. Some are bustling, some are chill. Ethereum's TVL jumped 13% in the last week, so it's heating up fast. Want low fees? Solana's your spot. Picking a chain is like choosing where to set up shop. Find one that fits your vibe, and you're halfway to earning. Let's talk trading, without the suits and ties. Decentralized exchanges, or DEXs, let you swap crypto peer-to-peer, and DeFiLlama tracks their volumes. In the last 24 hours, DEXs moved $19 billion. PancakeSwap's the champ on BSC, raking in $7 billion daily, while Uniswap's rocking $4 billion across 36 chains. Here's where it gets interesting. You can earn by providing liquidity. Think of it as lending your crypto to help trades happen. On PancakeSwap, you might snag 10% APY just for tossing USDT and BNB into a pool. APY is your annual percentage yield, how much you'd earn in a year. It's like planting seeds and watching the cash grow, minus the dirt. Ready to level up? Yield farming's where the big returns live, and DeFiLlama's yield rankings are gold. For stablecoins, the USDS pool on Beefy offers a wild 53% APY with over $6 million locked in. On the riskier side, Wrapped Ethereum USDC on Airdrop Slipstream boasts 98% APY with $95 million locked. Lista's SLIS BNB pool on BNB Chain gives 17% APY with a massive $713 million TVL. These numbers mean real cash. Stake $100 at 50% APY, and you've got $150 in a year. But heads up, high rewards can mean high risks, like price dips or smart contract bugs. Start small, test the waters, and you'll be farming like a champ. Back to stablecoins, your crypto comfort zone. DeFiLlama shows USDC at $64 billion market cap, DAI at $4 billion, and even BlackRock's BUIDL at $2.7 billion. Yield-wise, USDT-USDC on Tap Exchange offers 37% APY with $2 million locked. USDC-USDF on Convex Finance gives 32% APY with $14 million in play. These are like savings accounts on steroids. Pop in some USDC, sit back, and watch it grow without losing sleep over market crashes. Who's running the show? DeFiLlama's protocol rankings spill the tea. Aave, a lending platform, leads with $54 billion TVL across 17 chains, earning close to $400,000 daily. Lido's liquid staking has $33 billion locked, pulling around $270,000 a day. Uniswap, the DEX king, has $5.7 billion TVL and $3.8 million in daily fees. These big players make money from fees. Aave from lending interest, Uniswap from trades. You can join in by lending on Aave or staking Ethereum with Lido. It's like being the bank, but cooler, and you keep the profits. Ever wonder how these projects stay afloat? DeFiLlama's revenue section has the scoop. Tether rakes in $20 million daily by investing USDT's backing into U.S. Treasury bills, safe, steady cash. PancakeSwap earns $5 million a day from trading fees, sharing 50% with users like you. Hyperliquid, another DEX, pulls $5 million daily, while Tron burns $2.2 million in TRX fees to boost its value. These profits fuel the ecosystem, and when you stake or provide liquidity, you're tapping into that cash flow. Pretty sweet deal, right? Here's a fun one. Airdrops, free tokens just for using a project. DeFiLlama lists newbies like Kinetic, with $487 million TVL in liquid staking, up over 4% in a day. Coinbase XRP, a bridge, has $25 million TVL, up 12%. These tokenless projects might drop freebies to early users. Use them with caution, stake some crypto, and you could score big. It's like finding a coupon for free crypto in your inbox. One last gem, crypto ETFs. DeFiLlama shows Bitcoin ETFs with $123 billion in assets and $522 million in daily inflows. Ethereum ETFs have $10 billion and close to $600 million flowing in. BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF, IBIT, alone holds $87 billion. These are big money funds buying crypto, pushing prices up. You can invest directly through DeFiLlama, but it's a sign the market's ripe. Perfect timing to jump into DeFi and ride the wave. From stablecoin safety nets to yield farming jackpots, this tool's your key to earning while you sleep. Start with stablecoins on Convex Finance or Beefy, trade on PancakeSwap, or hunt airdrops like Kinetic. The DeFi world is cooking hard with $187 billion in play. Why not grab your share? Now, here's a little boost I got for the Crypto Yield Pro community to get you all going. I'm an affiliate with MEXC, an exchange loved by over 10 million users worldwide. Sign up with my exclusive link in the pinned comment below, and you'll unlock up to $8,000 in rewards. Like staking 300 USDT for 2 days at 600% APR to pocket $10 fast. Plus, save 20% on fees for life and join airdrops galore. It's the perfect sidekick to your DeFiLlama adventures. No pressure, just extra cash in your pocket. Has this video helped you in any way? If yes, destroy that like button, drop your fave DeFi trick in the comments or a project you want me to cover, and subscribe for more daily alpha. Check out my DeFi tools playlist linked on your screen. It's a perfect combo with this one. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Keep your crypto growing and your wallet happy. See you tomorrow.